I'm Timothy, the famous Dreamland mattress reviewer, famous for this video.
Hello.
Cut.
Oh, say hello to my close friend, Honey. She's very sweet. He's my childhood friend.
Cut. Tim, just stick to the script, please.
This is Honey. She does yoga. And she is on the Dreamland Cairo mattress with Coil, the world's most renowned spring technology, with 49% more coil count in...
Cut. Keep going, Tim.
With a 49% higher coil count and a closely coiled center zone, Dreamland Cairo mattresses with Coil, the world's most renowned spring technology, ensures extra spinal support and better sleep.